Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about outbound calling. How to get to outbound calling, click this link right here, you'll be brought to this page. Now this is a way to manage your outbound pharmacy communications. So the automated outbound calls and the manual outbound calls can be managed from this page. Now there's three parts to this. We have the automated refill ready, so pick up refill. This is an automated call that comes from Pioneer RX. The refill reminder, which you have medication eligible to be refilled, and contact pharmacy. For various reasons, you just want to send out a phone call, tell the patient they need to call the pharmacy. Those are three we have right now. We will be adding more in the future. You see three tabs here: calls, configurations, and reports. Now, this is a demo account, so there are no active calls going out, but I can set something up here and show you how that's going to look. So the pickup refill, that is configured here. We can set this up. What you see here is your campaign configuration. So the business hours, is the time that you're going to call your patients. You don't want to call your patients at 6 a.m. or 9 p.m. because if they ask to be transferred back to the staff, there's nobody there at the pharmacy. So set your business hours on which we're going to call. There's a call mode, IVR, and in the future, we're going to have our pharmacy agent where the agent can call out and communicate with the patient. Also, potential SMS mode. That's still in the works. Greeting message, you select an existing greeting message. If you don't have one that you want for this, go and create one in the media files. What this is the message that's going to play when the patient picks up the phone. So let's just say I don't know what this is.
Hey, you have a prescription ready at the pharmacy.
This one's something I set up earlier. It's just I'm going to create a new one. Add a new media file. We can say file name. Let's just say refill ready. Hello, you have a prescription ready to be picked up. You can select your voice gender, male or female. Select the voice, and then click preview audio to hear what it's going to sound like.
Hello, you have a prescription ready to be picked up.
All right, I like that. So you click create now. Now we just save that. This is the audio file it's going to play. You can verify that.
Hello, you have a prescription ready to be picked up.
All right. And then from there, when they get this phone call, that's what's going to play when they pick up. And then there's going to be a transfer destination. They're going to get, in this scenario, there's three options. Press 1 to confirm. Yeah, I'm going to come pick it up. 2, I don't want it. Put it back. 3, I want to talk to the pharmacy. And number 3 is set up right here. So the transfer destination, you can transfer anywhere. Extension, call group, queue, custom destination. You have a lot of control here. Let's just say it's going to be a call group. We'll go to Joe group. Just throwing that out there. Click Save Configuration, and now in your Pioneer server, like your Pioneer instance, when a prescription is ready, is filled, and that list of patients is available, it's going to automatically call them. There's a 1, 3, and 5 day reminder that you can configure in Pioneer. We're going to send out a call each time that is triggered, and unfortunately right now we don't have a different announcement for the 1, 3, and 5. We just have one that says your prescription is ready to be picked up, or whatever you just said right there. That's what you're going to get. But it's the same one on that 1 day and 3 day and 5 day mark. We're working with Pioneer, trying to get some more details there, like specifics on the 1, 3, and 5. But for right now, this is what we have. Works great. Once you click save and once a prescription is filled, it's going to automatically fire off a call, and you'll be able to see all the reports right here. You'll be able to see total calls, completed calls, answered calls, transferred calls, and voicemails. So the ones that hit the voicemail, and you can see the stats, how many people confirmed, declined here. And we have 2 other campaigns here, refill reminder and contact pharmacy. I was testing this out earlier, so that's what you see right here. Refill reminders, this is an example of you can export a report from Pioneer of a list of patients who have eligible refills, and our outbound calling system will call them, and they can confirm that, yes, I want to refill that, and that would actually be sent back to the refill queue. And you kind of set up the same way, set up the configuration, exactly what the greeting message is going to say, and then the transfer destination if they're going to transfer out. or transfer back to the pharmacy. And then contact pharmacy, same way, you're setting this up. Going back to the calls, if you want to add an individual record, you would add a record here. Let's just say you have the prescription number. You type it in, and it's automatically going to be populated. Right now, this is demo data, so nothing's really populated. You do this, and soon as you click add, your phone will ring, or the phone, your system will call. And there we go. So it's calling, you answer. Hello. All right, there we go. So heard that. This is a test for outbound call campaigns, and that call happened. That's exactly what happened there, and you'll be able to see the logs once that happens here. Now you can search by RX number, name, and phone number. We're going to be adding a lot to this. You can export all this. So if you have any feedback, let us know how we can improve this. And as always, if you ever need any help with our support, click right there. You can chat with us, 60 seconds or less. They are there to serve you, willing to help night or day. And if you don't see that over there, click get help and you can activate it. And please reach out to us if you have any questions, or give us a phone call. We're always here to help. Thank you and have a blessed day.